Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2016 Chevy Tahoe LS. For the month of September, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $1,500 in savings on this specific vehicle. This vehicle only has 28,257 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a four-wheel drive Tahoe that comes with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, tinted windows all around the entire vehicle, besides the front obviously, and 18 by 8.5 inch high polished aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth interior throughout the entire vehicle. Now when it comes to the front, we do have a very large center console, your brand new Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.